In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bouncing button on Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to open up your Wix editor and find the button that you want to work with. In my case, I want to work with this menu button right here. So the first thing I want you to do is to click on the button to highlight it, and then a bunch of different options are going to appear right above the button, as you can see right here. The one you want to click on is the animations button right here, and then close this entrance tab and click on the loop right here. So these are all the animations that will constantly loop. In our case, it's going to be the bouncing animation, which is down here. Click on that and then click on customize. Here you can customize the bouncing of the button. So for example, if you want the duration of the bounce to be like half a second, you can drag that to the left. And if you want the delay between the bounces to be minimal, let's say 0.2 seconds instead of 0.2, and in the motion style, we want it to be intense. So once you're happy with the changes, close them to save, and then let's click on preview to see the button animation in play. And there you go. That's how to make a bouncing button on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.